find the derivative of the function. In part A, we got e raised to 2x minus 7. We know that when we have e raised to x, its derivative is itself. But when we have e raised to some function of x, let's say u, where u is more than x, it's a function of x, then we need to use the chain rule. So derivative is itself times derivative of this inner function u prime. So 2x minus 7 is like u. So its derivative is then itself e raised to 2x minus 7 times, that's on ground level now, derivative of 2x minus 7, which is 2 minus 0, just 2. So 2 times this exponential function is the final answer. Part B, we got natural log of something function. We know that natural log of x alone, when we find its derivative, is simply 1 over x. But if we have natural log of some function of x, then its derivative is 1 over this inside function times derivative of inside function from the chain rule. So 2x minus 7, 2x plus 7 is like u. Okay, we can think like this one as u. So natural log of u, then its derivative is 1 over u, 2x plus 7 times derivative of u, derivative of 2x plus 7. That's 2 plus derivative of 7 is 0, just 2. So 2 times 1, that's on the top, by the way. Do not cancel anything. You may leave here, or this is 2 over 2x plus 7, final. Now here comes function equals x squared e 3x. Here is times. So we have a product. And we know that when we have a product of two functions, u and v, and when we find its derivative, we use the product rule, which is derivative of first factor times second plus derivative of second factor times first. Okay, this is like u and v, uv. So we use this formula. So its derivative is then derivative of first factor, derivative of x squared, that's 2x times leave second alone, plus derivative of second factor. Okay, derivative of second factor means e raised to 3x. It's like part A. So e raised to 3x, when we want to find its derivative, here is another chain rule. It's like e raised to u, part A, itself times derivative of top. Okay, so here in the product rule, you are finding derivative of second factor. That comes out to be exponential function itself times derivative of 3x is 3. That is v prime, derivative of second factor, times we still have u, v prime u, u means x squared. We may leave here. The best we can do is just factor e raised to 3x from both terms, but not needed. I would leave here.